Have with us Mr. Pavan Khaitan joining us from Quantum Papers. He is the Vice Chairman and MD there. Pavan, hi, thank you so much for making time and speaking with us. We wanted to have a discussion going with you to understand what's happening in the entire paper and pulp industry, because what we are hearing from the channel check suggests that the prices of coated as well as uncoated paper has come off sharply. Explain to us if it is a demand issue or a supply issue.
So good to be here back again. Thank you for inviting me. Paper pricing has come down a little for sure, and the impact is largely because this is the lean period which we witness normally every year. So the demand cycle is normally lower at this point of time, and it will pick up around September when the new education year starts. And the printing for the new ed year, which is 24-25, will start at about September, and everybody sort of starts filling up their pipeline around that time. So this is a normal trend. About 4 to 5% decline in pricing is what we witnessed in the coated and uncoated segment. But more so, the impact has been offset by a reduction in costs of inputs. Cost of inputs have come down quite dramatically, both on account of raw material and fuel, and that is helping us keep sort of operations quite healthy.
So, given that decline in the raw material prices, is there going to be a big spike when it comes to the margins? What kind of numbers are we talking about? Is it going to be a 200, 300 basis point improvement sequentially? Any indication directionally?
Well, margins are going to quite be similar to the past. Fortunately, with even this large kind of reduction, we are going to not witness impact on margins per se, because there's been quite a decent decrease in raw material input pricing. So, for instance, wheat straw has come down by almost 40%. Fuel, coal, and everything has come down by about similar costs. So that impact has been offset, as I said, by reduction in costs, and the margins are quite healthy.
Yeah, what's the visibility looking like, Pavan? Because the year gone by, 23, was a record year of sorts for you, top line, absolute EBITDA. And now that the cycle is coming back and favoring you, meanwhile, you've done your cost efficiencies, how does the full year picture looking like?
Full year picture is going to be quite healthy. In fact, we are adding on to our capacities. As of now, we speak are the two smaller machines on which we produce specialty paper. That is going under renovation, and we are going to sort of increase our capacities there. The capacity increase will be about 15,000 tons per annum, and that is going to help increase our specialty paper volumes in the market. And we've already, the plans are afloat to increase our capacities on our larger machines as well, and we're going to release about 25% capacity overall from our production, from a level of 150,000 tons that we are operating at currently. We are planning to reach 2 lakh tons in the next 12 to 16 months.
Okay, so looking at increasing the capacity as well. Quickly, before I let you go, in terms of the volume trends for the entire year, you said that there's going to be a healthy growth for the entire year. What could be that number again? Will it be like mid-teens, early teens, or 20-25% for the industry?
For the industry, I think about 25 to 30% margin should be we should be capable to achieve. And I think the trending is all there because of reduced costs, even despite reduced pricing.
Okay, on that note, Pavan, we'll let you go. Really appreciate you joining us on the show and talking to us